Good day, everyone. Today we are looking at Igbo language. In Igbo language, for you to know how to speak, write Igbo language, you need to know how to pronounce the Igbo alphabet. They call these alphabets EDMEDE in Igbo. Today we are looking at them. You need to know the pronunciation so that we'll be able to form words with the alphabet. The first letter there in Igbo is A, B, B, C, D. E, F, G, I, H, I, E, J, K, Q, L, N, O, P, Q, R, C, T, U, O, V, W, M, Z, N, Z. This is how to pronounce them. It's very important to know how to pronounce them. Very, very important. Because without knowing how to pronounce them, you cannot form words. I want to give you one or two examples to show you how important it is to know the pronunciation of the Igbo alphabet. Take for instance, if you want to spell hand in Igbo, Aka is A-K-A, Aka. If you want to spell cloth in Igbo, A-K-A, Aqua. If you want to spell eyes in Igbo, A-Nye-A, Anya. I just use these three examples to show you how important it is to know the pronunciation. So let us go through it again. Next lesson, we are going to look at the small letters and how to form words. A, B, W, C, D. E, F, G, G, A, I, A, J, K, Q, L, N, O, P, Q, R, C, T, U, O, V, W, M, Z, N, Z. So, next lesson, we are going to look at the small letters and we will also look at the Igbo vowels. You will need Igbo vowels. They are 8 in number and the consonants to form words. The whole alphabets are 36. So when you remove 8, the 8 vowels from the whole alphabet, you get the consonants. We'll look into them in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. I want you to follow me for more. Share, like, and comment. Thank you.